Having trouble logging into Facebook on your iPhone? Let's fix it in minutes. Step 1. Close and restart the Facebook app. Swipe the app away and reopen it. Step 2. Update the app. Open the App Store and install any available Facebook updates. Step 3. Check your internet. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or switch to cellular data. Step 4. Reset network settings if problems continue. Go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. Step 5. Delete and reinstall Facebook from the App Store to clear corrupted app data. Step 6. Verify your Facebook account status on a browser at facebook.com in case of locks or flags. Make sure your password is correct and two-factor authentication is accessible before retrying login. Also check for an iOS update, open Settings, General, Software Update and install if available. If errors persist, try logging in on another device or desktop to isolate whether it's the iPhone or the account. Quick recap: restart the app, update, check network, reinstall, verify account, and update iOS if needed. If this helped, subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tap the bell to stay updated.